Welcome back everybody. This is Shahzaib Kamal from Podina Tutorials.com and we're learning the Angular 4. And welcome back. So guys, what I just want to do for now, I just want to make something more. You just learned about the NgF, which is actually a directive, which is actually works like if and else for other languages. For now, there is another way, the NgFor, the for loop. If you just know about the for loop, while loops and other stuff, so I'm just gonna talk about the for loop, NgFor for now in Angular 4. So how it works, absolutely, it will just repeat things multiple times. If you just know previous Angular, the Angular J, so that was ng repeat actually, but now it's NgFor. So how it works, first of all, we actually know all the things about the for loop before, so we just need to proceed it. And the base we'll be just using here, we will be just making here in the HTML way. So we're in the HTML page of the HTML page or the part of this component. So I'm just making something like, we need to make a UL and the li. Actually, we need to make the list. So this is the best way to make a list. So I'm just doing that. And there, absolutely, I just don't want to put the content according to the list, like just duplicating it, and just like we just do in the different programming languages or even the JavaScript or TypeScript, because we just want to work on this way using the Angular way, Angular 4. So space, and then we just need to do something like ng asterisk NgFor, F is capital. If you just notice, then just go inside. If you remember, the key and the value method means just getting each value from an array. This is a method you do in any programming language, like getting the data in the for loop from an array and calling them each as a single variable. So now we're just doing the same for now. We just, first of all, I think we just need to go there and just leave this as it is. I'm just going to the component in here. We're inside the export class. Don't forget that we are inside the export class. There, inside this one, I'm just making a new thing. I'm just making an object, the people, okay, equal to, and it's a multi-dimensional object. We just need to put a few things here, the curly braces, and inside the curly braces I'm just putting something like name, and the value for the name, the first name I'm just putting is John, and the comma and line break, and just going down, and again the same logic, name again, Jennifer, okay, cool, comma, line break, and go down, and then other stuff, something like again the name, and now let's just put my name here. That's kind of cool. We've done this. So the next step, I just want to get all these data of the people to this page, to the component.html area, okay, but this part of the component in here, I'm just telling that this is a way, oh sorry, I have to be there, and here we just put the value, we just put the key, you can say this is the key, and the of, this is the method, command of, and here the value, okay, the array. This is what we do normally, but here I'm just putting like pupil and just splicing it into the person, let person, people. And because we just got the data, now just notice what I'm just telling, we just got the data of the people into the person for now. So we just need to go inside, and now actually we just spliced here. I just want to go to the TS to show you something interesting. And if you just noticed here, this is one raw, this is second data, this is third data. So all of them are now became single person, single person, single person, and single person. To get each of the data property, I just want to call this with a period sign. I just want to show you how. This is a method you already know. Actually, this is the TypeScript and JavaScript ways to work. So the person.name, this is actually the Angular, but this is the regular expression way, and you know that how you can attach the data. This is how we deal with things. Now person's name, I just want there, and absolutely this is the li, so it'll be duplicated automatically. Go to the browser and you can see that John, Jennifer and Shahzaib. That means it's actually working. And how you can understand that how the for loop works. If I just go there again, and if I just put another data like adding another comma and just putting this one a name and just putting something more like we just done the Shahzaib, and now I'm just putting something like Junaid. Any name I can put here. Okay, now save this one and go to the browser. You can see that the Junaid is also there. Another thing is, if I just want something like, I can put another way well used to, like the ages, adding a comma, you know how to do that. So it's another method, but you can do that. So guys, in this class we just learned about the NG4. I just don't want to teach you the things you already know, like objects or arrays and other stuff. So just deal with your own self, and I'm just gonna go to the next class. And as always, please subscribe to our channel. It will really help our channel grow. Leave a comment and we'll meet in next lesson. Till then, goodbye.